To add deep sleeping app in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then the settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find battery and device care, and then tap battery and device care. Select battery, and then tap background usage limits. Select deep sleeping apps, and then to add deep sleeping apps, tap plus icon, and then select app you want to add. Deep sleeping apps will never run in the background. They will only work when you open them. Okay, for example, calculator, CPU, Facebook. You can also sort by battery usage, most recent, or name. And then tap add if you finish. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.